Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist, and in this video today I'm going to share how to choose the right shade of foundation. Let's start with the basics first. So foundation comes in a lot of different shades, and those shades can be decided based upon different skin tones. Skin tones majorly fall into three different categories. First one is fair, second is medium, also called as wheatish, which is my skin tone, and the third skin tone is dusky. Another important thing to consider while choosing a foundation online is the undertone of the foundation. Undertones are majorly three different types. First one is warm undertone, also commonly known as yellow undertone, which is my undertone, and second one is cool undertone, which is commonly called as pink undertone, and the third one is neutral, where a person is nor too warm and nor too cool undertone, so those people fall under the neutral category. First important thing to know is whether you fall under the fair category, medium or dusky. Once you identify that, then you have to identify whether you are warm undertone or cool undertone or neutral. Now when it comes to identifying the undertone of your skin, there are a lot of different ways in which this can be done. I'll share a few easy ways to identify. First way of identifying your undertone is to check your veins. If your veins appear green, then you're warm undertone. Secondly, if your veins appear more blue in color, then you are cool undertone. To get that accurate shade for your foundation for your skin tone, I'll share a few tips on how you can do that. Okay, first way of identifying the accurate shade of foundation is applicable if you have used any foundation in the past, or if you're currently using any foundation and you want to know your foundation shade in a different brand. Let's say I'm using Maybelline or I have used Maybelline before and I want to know my shade in MAC foundation. You can find that out by going to this website called Foundation. Just type foundation in Google and it will bring up this website. Go to that website, and here you have to enter the details of the foundation that you have used. Let's say if I have used Maybelline, so I'll enter Maybelline. After that, you have to enter the name of the foundation. Let's say Fit Me Foundation Poreless and Matte. So once you select that, you have to enter the shade number. Once I click on that, it will give me results of all of these foundations that will suit my skin tone. Not just foundation, it also gives results of concealers that will be closest match to the skin tone. That's how this website works. If you have used any foundation in the past, this will be very helpful guide to help you decide the right shade of foundation. And also concealers. In terms of concealers, it is important to remember this will be the closest match to your skin tone. So if you're looking for lighter shade of concealer to highlight your under eye area, then you should go for a shade lighter than what appears on this website. Okay, now let's say that you have never used any foundation before and the first time ever that you want to buy a foundation. First of all, I would advise, if that is the case, then you should go to a counter. Let's say whatever brand that you want to buy, whether it's Maybelline, MAC or L'Oreal, any counter of the foundation you want to buy, you should go to that counter and they will help you with the best possible match for your skin tone. However, if that's not possible, like because of the current times and everything that's going on, and you want to choose a foundation online, in that case there are few things which can help you decide the shade. First option is, if you are following or any YouTuber who is like closest to your skin tone, you can take a look at their videos and get an idea of what will be your shade in the foundation. Another option is, for the closest shade match, you can also go to the website of the brand. A lot of different brands display this option on their website where they give you shade match. They'll ask you certain questions, same thing which I have mentioned, like your skin tones and if you're warm or cool undertoned, and then they will give you the best shade that will suit your skin. So a lot of websites like MAC and I think Maybelline also has introduced this option. Another option also is contacting Nykaa. They have a beauty help center where they help you with a shade match if you're looking to buy a certain product. I purchased a Rimmel compact by asking them. I had no idea which shade will match me, because the picture that they show on the website and the app, it's very deceiving because they're not how it appears. So it's very difficult to identify whether which one is will be correct match. Just to get a confirmation, I contacted Nykaa and they helped me with the right shade for me, and that was like a perfect match. In case your skin tone is closer to mine, I will list down all of the foundations that is closest match to my skin tone. That will help you pick the right one. If you have any other questions, anything that's confusing, you can always write it down in the comment section and I will definitely reply back to your queries. Okay, so these were all of the tips that can be helpful to find the accurate and closest shade match to your skin tone. 19-20 ka farak is fine, but if you are someone who's looking for like shade much lighter than your actual skin tone, then you have to approximately identify that. I want to mention that it does not look great in person. It can look very ashy, it does not look good. As a professional, I would still suggest to go for a shade that will be closest match to your skin, because that is when it looks like skin, not like a mask. Because if the shade is much lighter, it is very clearly evident. 1-2 shades is fine, it works. If a foundation oxidizes, you have to consider that as well. So that's all I wanted to share in this video, and I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such makeup tips, a lot of tutorials, and of course I do a lot of skincare videos as well on my channel. You can check these out from the description box below. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.